Experience unparalleled coastal living from this prime oceanfront penthouse on the 16th floor. A modern, open-concept kitchen is perfect for entertaining family and friends. Your dinners include this ocean views. Picture yourself cooking in this expansive kitchen with a huge curved island, which offers more seating. Imagine relaxing in this bright living area with expansive windows framing gorgeous panoramic ocean views. Wake up to these incredible, stunning ocean views daily. A long, white double vanity with a dedicated makeup station awaits your morning routine perfectly. Soak your cares away in the freestanding white bathtub, resting gracefully on warm wood flooring. Experience unmatched protection and breathing oceanfront views from this 16th floor balcony. Featuring a unique spiral staircase, this unit leads directly to your rooftop terrace living to showcase a beautiful sunset from the East Coast. Are you ready to make the move? Contact Donna Beard at the Keys Company to discover your perfect coastal dream home today.